The all-new Grizzly Bear Stand Pro Sawhorse is ruggedly made with 100% high-grade steel and has features to make your shop time more productive. Each sawhorse sports a top handle for effortless portability. The handles then recess, leaving a flush work surface. The high-grade steel gives the T31669 an impressive 1,000-pound weight capacity, ensuring dependability with whatever you throw at it. Each sawhorse stands at 35.5 inches wide by 29 inches tall, and the folding legs make storage a breeze. Keep your workstation clean by folding out the material support pegs for an extra hand on the worksite. And the 2x4 support arms accept lumber that let you pair them together to make a quick and easy job site table. With its portability, dependability, and clever design functions, the Bear Stand Pro Sawhorse is sure to become the workhorse of your shop or job site. Visit Grizzly.com for more information and to get yours today.